Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today's topic is very important, especially for aspiring and beginner VAs. Ang title natin ngayon ay Hindi lang sipag, bakit trust ang pinakamahalagang skill ng VA. Kahit minsan akala natin kapag masipag ka, okay na. Akala natin kapag mabilis kang gumawa ng task, enough na. Pero sa totoong VA life, hindi lang sipag ang hinahanap ng client. Client needs someone they can trust, someone who gives updates, someone who asks questions, someone who admits mistakes, someone who does not disappear, someone who can be relied on kahit hindi binabantayan every minute. So today, pag-uusapan natin kung paano ba nabubuo ang trust between VA and a client. Ano ang nakakasira ng trust? And paano makakapagpakita ng trustworthiness ang beginner VA kahit wala pang maraming experience? Mariel, for aspiring beginner VAs, paano sila makakapag-build ng trust kahit wala pa silang maraming experience?
Pag beginner VA ka po, you have to remind yourself din na yung goal is not to prove na alam mo yung lahat. Yung goal po dito palagi is mapakita mo na willing kang matuto. You have also to communicate well with the client and talagang i-fulfill mo yung commitment mo to get things done. And ano po, yung tiwala po kasi is hindi siya nabibuild lang basta sa experience, kundi yung consistency, yung lagi kang nakaka-deliver as expected or as much as possible, excellent mong nadi-deliver yung hinihingi nila sa'yo. And also po, yun nga po, as a beginner VA, you have to remind yourself as well na yung client, hindi talaga sila nag-hire ng person based lang sa experience. Of course, that's a big part of yung standard nila, but ang pinaka-objective nila is yung i-hire nilang tao is someone they can trust and rely on.
Okay. So what can beginners do to look professional?
You start with the basic po. Of course, you have to, ano po, yung resume mo, it should be polished. Kasi kahit yung ano nyo rin po, yung LinkedIn profile, dapat okay po siya. And then you should communicate clearly. Pag may mga interviews na rin po, you have to be on time. And tag nito. Use also professional language po when dealing with the HR. Halimbawa po, you are contacted na for interview. Um, Even simple things po like replying promptly if they are reaching out to you, that could leave ano po, a great first impression po. Yun po.
Okay. Um, why is being teachable a big advantage?
Ano po, being teachable po is a big advantage kasi po yung client, every client po, they have different tools, iba-iba din po yung process nila. So, as a VA po, it's very important na nakikinig ka, nagtatanong ka ng mga thoughtful questions. Of course, relevant dun sa ginagawa mo. Tapos nagtatanong ka rin po ng feedback, how am I doing? And syempre po, kung ano yung feedback nila, ina-apply mo rin po dapat yun. And yun nga po, yung client would rather work po yung someone na eager talagang matuto kaysa dun po sa nag-act na they know everything po.
Okay. What is one habit every beginner VA should start practicing?
Ayun po, everything po like pag may meeting or may mga instructions sila, dapat dino-document mo po siya lahat. You should take note also every during training or meeting, and you can also create po yung mga step by step na guide para maaano mo po siya, matatrack mo po siya kung nakukuha mo ba siya accordingly, ganun po. And it also helps you become more independent po. And kung yung may tracker ka, namo-monitor mo po yung ginagawa mo. Instead of like, tanong ka pa ng tanong, at least may tracker ka, makikita mo dun yung mga notes mo po. Maiiwasan na po yung tanong ka ng tanong dun sa client ng paulit-ulit po. Yun po.
You don't need to pretend to know everything. Sometimes the best thing you can say is, I haven't done this exact task before, but I'm willing to learn. I'll review the instructions carefully and ask questions if I need clarification. That is better than pretending you know it, than making avoidable mistakes.